Good morning. In the last class, we have discussed maxima minima by using Lagrange's method. So, we have discussed some more problems on Lagrange's method, and in this class also we will discuss one more problem on Lagrange's method. So, that is find the maximum value of x square y cube z power 4 if 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to a. This is the problem. Find the maximum value of x square y cube z power 4 if 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to a. Now this is the extremum by subject to given condition 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to a. So here we use clearly Lagrange's method to find extremum of function by giving conditions. So we have to use Lagrange's method. So what is Lagrange's method? First of all, we have to write Lagrangian function. So first of all, given functions. So what is given? Here given, so maximum value of x square y cube z power, then that is denote with f. F is equal to x square y cube z power 4 and pi is equal to, subject to the condition, pi is equal to 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus a is equal to 0. This is equation 1, right? So next these are the given functions f and phi. Now first write Lagrangian function. So what is Lagrangian function? Lagrangian function. So Lagrangian function can be taken as capital F is equal to small f plus lambda phi. Right? What is f and phi? So right, f is equal to x square y cube z power 4 plus lambda into, here write pi, 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus a. This is the Lagrangian function. Now first of all write dou f by dou x is equal to 0. Dou f by dou x is equal to 0. So capital F, Lagrangian function with respect to x, right, and equate to 0. Now with respect to x, in this what is constant? Y cube z power 4 is constant, right? So now here x square derivative. What is x square derivative? Here x square derivative is 2x plus here lambda into derivative of this function with respect to x. So with respect to x, y, z are constants. Clearly 2x derivative is 2, right, is equal to 0. So that implies here 2 is common. Then right, this can be write as x y cube z power 4 is equal to minus lambda. Let it be equation 2. Okay. Next write dou f by dou y is equal to 0. Dou f by dou y is equal to 0. Now this function with respect to y, then what is constant in this? X square z power 4 is constant. Y cube derivative, what is y cube derivative? 3y square. So that's why 3 here x square y square z power 4. X square z power 4 is constant, y cube derivative is 3y square plus lambda into, here derivative of this function with respect to y, x, z are constants. Clearly derivative 0. 3y derivative is 3 is equal to 0. So that implies again 3 is common, cancelled. So write here x square y square z power 4 is equal to minus lambda. This is equation 3. Next, with respect to z, dou f by dou z is equal to 0. right? With respect to z, so now here x square y cube is constant, z power 4 derivative is 4z cube. So that's why here write 4x square y cube z cube, right? Z cube plus lambda into, now derivative of this function with respect to z, xy constant, clearly 0, 4z derivative is 4 is equal to 0. Now again here 4 cancelled, right? Remaining term x square y cube z cube is equal to minus lambda. This is equation 4. So observe these three equations 2, 3, 4. So right hand side are equal, right? So that's why equate left hand side. Now first of all take from 2 and 3. From 2 and 3 what we get? So here from 2 and 3 both sides right hand side equal, then equate left hand side xy cube z power 4 is equal to x square y square z power 4. See here both sides z power 4 is cancelled. Now here 1x cancel, 1x cancel, and here both sides z power 4 cancel, here y square cancel, right? So finally we get x is equal to y, right? From 2 and 3 we get x is equal to y. Next from 3 and 4, from 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 again right hand side equal, then equate left hand side, we get x square y square z power 4 is equal to x square y cube z cube, right? Now again here both sides x square cancel, here y square cancel, here z cube cancel. So here we have only y, here z, right? This one y is equal to z. Now observe these equations, these two equations 5 and 6. Here x is equal to y, here y is equal to z. From these two we have to write x is equal to y is equal to z, right? But we don't know what are the values of x, y, z, right? Now so here x is equal to y is equal to z, then take this expression in equation 1. So what we get from equation 1, right? So this equation 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to a, but here x, y, z are equal. So that's why here write 2x plus 3y, y means y is also x. So write here 3x plus 4z also x is equal to a. So then that implies, so 5x plus 4x 9x is equal to a, that implies x is equal to a by 9. So when we get x is equal to a by 9, then clearly y and z also equal to x. That's why here write therefore x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to a by 9. So we get x, y, z values. Now we have to calculate the maximum of given one. So what is the given one? So maximum of this function. So now substitute x, y, z in that values. Therefore maximum value f is equal to right, what is value here? X square y cube z power 4. Now write here a by 9 whole square, a by 9 whole cube, a by 9 power 4. So finally we get a by 9 power 9. So this is the maximum value, right? So in this way we have to find maximum and minimum value for every function, right? So okay, right, thank you.